Hello and welcome to the Mandarin Monkey booking system. If you want to come and book some lessons worth, free lessons or private lessons or group lessons, you can do www.mandarinmonkey.com/lessons. The page will look like this. All you have to do is quite simply click on whichever option you prefer. In this case, let's click free lessons. For a free lesson, you start with EULA, so it says free lesson number 1 EULA, and then the second lesson is with Amy, but let's click for number 1 EULA. Then you have to select a good time for yourself. The time in here will be, it's automatically set to wherever you are. So click on whatever date is good for you and then select a good time. Let's say 12 o'clock. Click continue. Then it will go through to this form. Simply put your name in my case Tom, then your email, chat@mandarinmonkey.com, and then scroll down. You can leave a note if you want to, your level for example, and then click done. Now once you've done that, it will say finalize your booking, and this can take up to 30 seconds but is usually within 10, I'd say, and your booking is confirmed, and that's all it takes. You will then get an email to whatever email you provided in that form before, which will look something like this. Your booking is confirmed. Inside the email will be all the information you need to know, including obviously what you just booked, the conferencing number, so the date, obviously date and time, the conferencing information. So that's the Google Hangout or Google Meet that you'll be clicking on as you come to the meeting. What's really important here though, to break this down, is just below here it says calendar event. So you can add this to your calendar. So if you use Outlook or Google or Apple or whatever else, you could click on one of these buttons, the relevant button, and it'll automatically add it to your calendar so you're reminded about the meeting. Super important if you're one of those people like me who maybe overlooks or forgets something time to time. One other really important thing you might want to do is cancel or reschedule your lesson. You can do that by using the cancel and reschedule link in your email. Click on that, and if you want to reschedule, you just click see available times. That will show you a list of available times that EULA or Amy has available. You click the time that you want. Now in this instance, I'm going to go for 12 o'clock. Click on that, and then you enter a reason for rescheduling. So in this instance, I'm just going to put I don't like Mondays. Mondays. Click schedule, and then what you'll do is you'll go through to the finalize your booking loading screen. It will hopefully confirm, and then you can go back to your emails to check that you've got a rescheduled email in your inbox. As you can see up here, I do, and it has all the relevant information again in there for you as per the last email. Another thing that's quite important is that if perhaps you click on free lessons or something inside the scheduler but you perhaps didn't mean to click it, or you want to change your mind, there's no back button, so you can't go back in the browser. What you do have to go up here and click change selection in the top right hand corner. So if you click that, a little drop down will appear, and then you can go back to any of the menus you previously were. So I'm going to click on the first one. It takes you right back to the beginning. So again, there's no back button for that. You just have to click change selection and then click change when you do it. So I'm going to go through the process of ordering a group lesson. This one requires you to book 4 sessions because group lessons are bought in packs of 4. I'm selecting 4 times here, so I'll click a couple of times that are good for me. Always at 10 o'clock there on a Wednesday. Click through as per the previous tutorial, and then I'm going to fill in my name and email. Obviously both of these fields are required, so if I just put my name in here quickly, Tom, and then my email, chat@mandarinmonkey.com, and then I'm going to go through to the next screens. The difference with this one is this one is preparing for payment instead of finalizing your booking. Once this is finished, it goes through to pay with debit card or pay with PayPal. You can then pay for your lessons. That gets confirmed, and then that email is sent to you and you can put it into your calendar. So I hope that those instructions are relatively clear. If you don't understand anything that we've talked through today, please get in contact with us, chat@mandarinmonkey.com. We're always happy to help, to talk you through it again, to make a video, whatever it takes to get you through the process. Cool. Hopefully speak to you soon and see you in a lesson. Bye.